So after all the back-to-back birthday turn-ups, party upon party, crowd upon crowd, this man still showed up on Easter Sunday. Obi Cubana showed up at work on Easter Monday, not for more chilling, but for business inspection in Umuahia, Abia State. That's the hustling spirit right there. Obi Cubana, the CEO of CEOs, touched down in Umuahia for an unscheduled but very, very important and intentional visit to the Enviable Group powerhouse, the Southeast headquarters of one of the fastest growing transport businesses in Nigeria, Enviable Transport. And he wasn't alone. Nah, he was side by side with Mr. Chukwuemeka Otuma, the brains behind the fast-moving train, the CEO of Enviable Transport. And together they inspected the facility like men on a mission. I know we talk about big moves here and there, but this one right here is next level. Do you know that Obi Cubana announced in his post recently that very, very soon, Enviable Transport will expand beyond Nigeria into other African countries? What? That's not just ambition, that's vision.
Because today, we just have to capture the Nigeria, and then tomorrow, Africa.
Pure vision. And also, in this video, Obi Cubana made us understand that over 5,000 Keke Napep units are lined up for distribution to premium Enviable Keke oil and brand new trailers being offloaded one after the other. This is not small boy business at all. This is serious economic activity happening right in our own Umuahia, Eastern Nigeria. The warehouse is very massive, the coordination so on point, and the energy from these people offloading the trailer is 100%. And to the day 2 of the tour, they were still grinding. In this video, as you can see, Obi Cubana is still inspecting, still making it happen, while most people are chilling and eating leftover jollof rice from Easter Sunday. This man out there is on the field. Let's give credit where it's due. This is visionary leadership, both from Obi Cubana and from the CEO of Enviable Group, Chukwuemeka Otuma. The roadmap is clear, and guess what? They said it boldly. We'll cover Nigeria and then face Africa. Oh my goodness, if you're so proud of this kind of bold, made in Southeast success story from Enviable Transport CEO Obi Cubana, drop a fire emoji in the comment section. Let us know what you think about Enviable Transport going international. Do you all see this brand taking over the logistics scene in Africa? Talk to us below, and as always, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves growth, and hit that subscribe button for more inspiring content from your #1 plug for real stories in Southeast Nigeria.